From $5 to millions. The secret nobody tells you about wealth. Welcome to English Stories for Everyone. Today I want to tell you about David, a man who went from sleeping in his car to building a successful business, and the one idea that changed everything. Los Angeles. David was 26 years old and had only $5 in his pocket. He was living in his old car, taking showers at the gym, and eating once a day. He had no college degree, no rich family, no connections. Just debt and one big question. Why are some people rich while others stay poor? David started reading about rich people. Not celebrities or lottery winners, but normal people who became millionaires. He read their books and watched their interviews. And slowly, he learned something important that nobody had taught him in school. Rich people don't just work hard. Poor people work hard too. His mother worked 3 jobs and was still poor. Hard work alone doesn't make you rich. Rich people don't just save money. Saving $5 when you earn $500 keeps you poor. Saving isn't the answer. The real secret was this. Rich people understand that money is a tool, and the real goal is to create something that makes money even when you're sleeping. David realized he had been thinking wrong. He had been working normal jobs, getting paid by the hour. But you can only work so many hours in a day. You can never get rich by trading hours for dollars. Rich people create things that make money without working all the time. Businesses, products, websites, things that continue making money even when they're not working. With his last $5, David bought a website name. He had noticed something. Small businesses needed websites, but professional designers were very expensive. Most small businesses couldn't pay for them. David taught himself web design using free YouTube videos. He slept in his car, used free internet at coffee shops, and worked 18 hours a day, not for a boss, for himself. His first customer paid him $200 for a simple website. It took him a week to make. Not much money, but it was a start. More importantly, he created this money himself. Then David had an idea. Instead of making one website at a time, what if he created website templates? He could make one template and sell it many times. He spent 3 months creating his first template. It was hard work. Some nights he wanted to quit, but he kept thinking, make it once, sell it many times. He started selling his template for $49. The first month, 3 people bought it. He made $147. Not much, but here's what mattered. He made that money while he was sleeping. The system was working without him. David kept working. He created more templates. He learned how to sell them online. He listened to what customers wanted. In 6 months, he was selling 50 templates a month. In 1 year, 200 templates every month. The same templates. Made once were making money again and again. But David didn't stop. He hired other designers to help him make more templates. Now he wasn't just making templates. He was building a business that could work without him. 5 years later, David's company was making $3 million every year. He had 20 people working for him. His templates were used by over 10,000 businesses around the world. And the best part? He often worked only 4 hours a day because his business ran without him working all the time. People started asking him, "What's your secret? How did you get rich?" David always said the same thing. "I stopped selling my time and started building something that makes money without me. I stopped working like an employee and started thinking like a business owner." Going from $5 to millions didn't happen because David worked harder than everyone else. It happened because he changed how he thought about money. Poor people ask, "How can I earn more money per hour?" Rich people ask, "How can I create something that makes money without my time?" Poor people focus on their salary. Rich people focus on creating things that make money. Poor people trade time for money. Rich people build systems that multiply money. Today, David teaches others what he learned. His message is simple. You don't need money to start. You don't need connections. You need to stop thinking like someone who works for money. Start thinking like someone who makes money work for them. Getting rich isn't about luck or family money. It's about understanding one simple truth. Your time is limited, but what you create can work forever. Build something once that pays you many times, and you've learned the secret that makes people wealthy. The question isn't if you can become rich. The question is, are you ready to stop trading your time and start building your future?